Imagine stepping into a home where every corner breathes life, where vibrant greenery cascades from shelves, and tiny seedlings thrive in the soft glow of natural light. What if your home decor could grow with you, evolve with time, and become a living masterpiece of nature? Most people see seedlings as just the beginning of a garden, but today, we're about to change that perception forever. Welcome to a world where seedlings aren't just plants. They're statement pieces, tiny works of art, and the missing element that transforms your space into a sanctuary of serenity. Stay with us as we reveal unique and breathtaking ways to integrate seedlings into your home decor. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Archon Aesthetic Studio, and share this inspiration with your friends on WhatsApp. Your support helps us bring more creative and beautiful ideas to life. Now, let's begin. Welcome to Archon Aesthetic Studio, your ultimate destination for inspiring home and garden design ideas. We believe that a home should be more than just a place to live. It should be an experience, a reflection of your personality, and a sanctuary where nature and beauty come together in perfect harmony. In today's video, we're exploring something truly special. Seedlings, not just for gardens, but for home decor. Yes, those delicate young plants you usually see in pots before they grow into full-sized plants can actually become stunning decor pieces, adding a fresh, organic, and dynamic touch to your living space. From floating glass displays to vintage teacup planters, from bohemian macrame hangers to mini indoor herb gardens, we're about to uncover the most creative, stylish, and easy-to-implement ideas that will elevate your home decor to the next level. And don't worry, we'll also share essential care tips, so your seedlings stay healthy and thrive in their new decorative homes. So, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to bring more life, more greenery, and more natural beauty into your home. Seedling display ideas, bringing life to your space. Seedlings are more than just tiny plants waiting to grow. They are living art pieces, and when displayed creatively, they can transform any space into a lush, vibrant sanctuary. Let's explore some stunning ways to incorporate seedlings into your home decor. 1. Mason jars and glass containers. A touch of elegance. Imagine delicate seedlings suspended in crystal-clear glass jars, their roots gently floating in water, catching the light like nature's own chandelier. Mason jars, test tubes, and even old perfume bottles can be repurposed into elegant seedling holders. Place them on a windowsill, hang them from the ceiling, or arrange them in clusters on a coffee table for a modern, sophisticated aesthetic. For a minimalist look, choose a single sprout in a sleek glass container. For a rustic feel, add twine or wooden accents. 2. Vintage teacups and repurposed containers, a whimsical touch. Turn old teacups, ceramic bowls, or even antique tins into adorable seedling planters. These unique containers bring a sense of nostalgia, personality, and elegance to any space. They're perfect for desks, bookshelves, or kitchen counters, and they add a charming, vintage feel to your home. Try mixing and matching different patterns and colors, or create a theme. Perhaps classic floral teacups for a cottagecore vibe, or sleek monochrome ceramics for a modern aesthetic. 3. Hanging planters and macrame, boho sheet greenery. Seedlings don't have to stay on the ground. They can float, sway, and dance in the air. Using hanging planters, macrame hangers, or wall-mounted vases adds vertical greenery, making your space feel lush, alive, and effortlessly stylish. Bohemian-inspired macrame planters, paired with trailing seedlings like baby's tears or string of pearls, create a mesmerizing, organic flow that softens any space. Hang them by a sunlit window, above a cozy reading nook, or in the bathroom to bring nature's tranquility into your daily routine. 4. Mini herb gardens. Beauty with a purpose. Why settle for decorative plants when you can have decor that's both stunning and functional? Create a mini herb garden right inside your kitchen or dining space, using small seedling pots arranged neatly on a wooden rack, a stylish tray, or even mounted on the wall. Basil, rosemary, mint, and thyme not only add freshness and fragrance to your home, but they're also perfect for cooking, giving you aesthetic appeal and practical value. Pair them with chalkboard labels or hand-painted pot designs to create a chic and personalized touch. With these ideas, your seedlings are no longer just plants. They become expressions of creativity, reflections of your style, and elements that breathe life into your home. But how do you make sure they thrive and stay as vibrant as the day you set them up? Let's dive into the next chapter: maximizing visual impact, color, texture, and form. Maximizing visual impact, color, texture, and form. Now that we've explored creative ways to display seedlings, let's take it a step further. How do we make them not just part of the decor, but the centerpiece? By playing with color, texture, and form, you can create stunning visual effects that elevate your space to a whole new level. 1. The power of color, creating a vibrant atmosphere. Seedlings are often associated with fresh green hues. But what if we introduced more color? Some seedlings develop reddish or purple-tinged leaves, like red basil or purple shamrock, while others bloom into soft pastels or vibrant yellows over time. To create a cohesive and artistic look, match the colors of your seedlings with your existing decor. Soft green seedlings complement neutral or Scandinavian-style interiors. Deep purples and burgundy hues add contrast in modern or industrial spaces. Bright, fresh greens bring energy to boho and eclectic designs. For an extra pop, use colorful containers, earthy terracotta for warmth, metallic gold or silver for elegance, or sleek black and white for a modern aesthetic. 2. Texture, adding depth and interest. Texture is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in how we experience a space. Some seedlings have smooth, glossy leaves. Others have soft, velvety surfaces. And some, like ferns, add a delicate, feathery element. By mixing different textures, you create a visually engaging and dynamic display. Try combining soft-leaved seedlings like sage with spiky air plants for contrast. Trailing vines with compact, structured plants for balance. Matte ceramic pots with glossy-leaved seedlings for a polished look. 3. Form, playing with heights and shapes. A well-designed plant display isn't just about what you choose, but how you arrange them. Experiment with height variation. Place tall seedlings in the back, medium-sized in the center, and smaller ones in the front for a layered effect. Use hanging planters to add vertical interest. Create a floating shelf garden with staggered heights to add movement and flow. For an artistic composition, follow the rule of threes. Group seedlings in sets of 3, varying in height and form, to create balance and harmony. By mastering color, texture, and form, you transform simple seedlings into a work of living art, seamlessly blending nature with your home's aesthetic. But how do you ensure your seedlings remain healthy, vibrant, and thriving indoors? Let's move to the next chapter: care and maintenance, keeping your seedlings thriving. Care and maintenance, keeping your seedlings thriving. A beautiful seedling display is only as good as its health. No one wants wilting leaves, yellowing stems, or dried out soil ruining the aesthetic. To keep your seedlings thriving and vibrant, let's go over the essential care techniques every indoor plant lover should know. 1. Light, finding the perfect spot. Light is the lifeline of your seedlings. But not all seedlings need the same amount of sunlight. Bright, direct light, perfect for herbs like basil, rosemary, and oregano. Place them near a south-facing window for maximum exposure. Medium, indirect light, ideal for seedlings like mint, lettuce, and certain flowers. Keep them near a bright window with sheer curtains. Low light tolerance. Some seedlings, like ferns or baby's tears, can survive in shaded areas with minimal sunlight. If your space lacks natural light, consider using grow lights to supplement their needs. LED grow lights mimic sunlight and help seedlings develop strong stems and lush leaves. 2. Watering. The right balance. Overwatering is the #1 reason seedlings fail indoors. Their roots are delicate, and too much moisture can cause root rot. Follow this simple rule. Touch the soil with your fingertip. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. Use a spray bottle or a gentle watering can to avoid disturbing the fragile roots. Ensure your containers have drainage holes to prevent water from pooling at the bottom. For busy plant lovers, self-watering planters can be a game changer. They provide consistent hydration without the risk of overwatering. 3. Temperature and humidity. Creating the right environment. Most seedlings prefer temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Extreme heat or cold can stress the plants and stunt their growth. Humidity is also key, especially in dry indoor environments. Grouping seedlings together creates a mini greenhouse effect, maintaining moisture in the air. Placing a small dish of water near your plants adds humidity. For tropical seedlings, a humidifier can keep the air at the right moisture level. 4. Choosing the right seedlings for indoors. Not all plants thrive indoors. Some seedlings naturally adapt better to limited light and controlled temperatures. Best seedlings for indoor decor. Herbs, basil, mint, parsley, chives, microgreens, lettuce, spinach, mustard greens. Ornamental seedlings, baby's tears, ferns, pothos, succulents. If you're just starting out, go for low-maintenance seedlings that require minimal care but provide maximum beauty. 5. Troubleshooting common issues. Even with the best care, sometimes seedlings struggle. Here's how to fix common problems. Yellow leaves. Overwatering. Let the soil dry before watering again. Leggy, weak stems. Not enough light. Move them to a brighter location or add a grow light. Wilting leaves. Lack of water. Check soil moisture and mist if necessary. Mold or fungus. Poor air circulation. Avoid overwatering and ensure good ventilation. Caring for seedlings isn't just about keeping them alive. It's about nurturing a living art piece, allowing it to flourish as part of your home's aesthetic. Now, let's wrap everything up in our final chapter. Now, you've seen just how powerful seedlings can be, not just as a step in gardening, but as a statement in home decor. By incorporating creative displays, playing with color, texture, and form, and maintaining proper care, you can transform your home into a lush, vibrant, and refreshing sanctuary. And the best part, seedlings grow and evolve. They're not just decorations, but living elements that bring energy, freshness, and a deep connection to nature into your space. Ready to elevate your home with living decor? Now, it's your turn. Try these ideas in your home. Experiment with different seedlings, unique containers, and stunning arrangements to craft your own indoor botanical masterpiece. Let me know in the comments, which seedling decor idea are you most excited to try? Do you already use seedlings as part of your home aesthetic? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to support this channel, like this video, share it with friends and family on WhatsApp, and subscribe for more inspiring home design ideas. Join us on this journey, and let's create spaces filled with life, beauty, and nature's elegance, together. This is Archon Aesthetic Studio, and I'll see you in the next video.